In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Roblox gift card. So for those people who do not know Roblox, Roblox is a free to play game, and if you guys have a gift card of Roblox, if you redeem it, then basically you guys can get Robux. And for those people who do not know Robux, Robux is the in-game money of Roblox through which you can buy different in-game stuffs, alright? So if you guys have a Roblox gift card, let me show you guys how you guys can redeem it. But before that, you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to come to roblox.com and log in into your account. And once you're in the official website of Roblox and log in into your account, click on this tree line over here. Once you click on this tree line, you want to click on where it says gift cards. Once you click on gift cards, it's going to give you two options, whether to buy a gift card or to redeem. Since we want to redeem, we're going to click on redeem card. Once you click on redeem card, you want to enter the code which is on your gift card. So basically you want to enter exactly the code given in your gift card, because if you enter a mistake code, your gift card won't be redeemed. So enter the correct code over here and click on redeem. Once you do that, basically your Roblox gift card will be redeemed and the amount of Robux in your gift card will be on your Roblox account. So that's basically how you guys can redeem your Roblox gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.